Clostridium botulinum, general information. It is gram-positive bacteria produced most lethal toxin known to humankind. Morphology, spores, subterminal oval-shaped bulging spores. Motility, peritracheous flagella, capsule, non-capsulated, obligate anaerobes. Here reservoirs are humans. Most important pathogenesis, entry and germination of spores. Toxins are released. Botulinum toxin A, B, C1, C2, D, E, F, G. These are botulinum toxins. Transported retrograde way to acetylcholine producing excitatory neurons. Unopposed relaxation, placid paralysis, which is also called as floppy baby syndrome. See in here, botulinum toxin A is being goes to the postsynaptic neuron and causes retrograde inhibition, which causes flaccid paralysis, causing floppy baby syndrome. Virulence factor, one of the most powerful virulent factor it has got, botulinum toxin A, B, C1, C2, D, E, F, G. Here the most important questions which are being asked. A is one of the most common for the all organisms. A, B, and E are most common in humans. C1, C2, and D are bacteriophage coded. All are neurotoxins except C2. One of the most important questions. Clinical features, botulism, which is foodborne, woundborne, and infants. In foodborne, eating canned food causes diplopia, which is one of the most important feature here. Woundborne, if wound occurs, then this botulinum toxin may go inside. In infants, through honey. In some cultures, to infants, honey is being fed, which causes floppy baby syndrome. In lab diagnosis, specimen, stool, and food culture, blood agar, no hemolysis has been seen. In Robertson cooked meat, both black and pink are seen. Black are seen due to ABE toxin, pink is seen due to CDE toxins. Agiokagar, opalescence is been seen except in G strains. Toxin demonstration through mouse biopsy test, which is gold standard for this. And treatment is two types: antitoxins, which should be given immediately, supportives like mechanical ventilators if respiratory paralysis occurs.